Hey adventurers, today's the day that I become that Jeep person. You know what I'm talking about. Sun's out, doors off, hair in the wind, bugs in the teeth. Yeah, I'm here for it. Enjoying the first weekend of summer. So if you're thinking about taking the doors off your Jeep, but you're scared that you might break your Jeep, your doors, your soul, I got you. So let's crack open a cold one and unhinge those babies, literally. Okay, first off, tools. You're gonna need this little hex kit that comes with every Jeep Wrangler. And inside you have a T50 torque kit, as well as a ratchet wrench. Those are the two critical pieces that you need. If you don't have them, you can go to a dealership and pick one up in the parts department, probably order on Amazon, but your Jeep kit should have it. Pro tip, roll the windows down. Not because it's helpful, but because it makes you look cooler. Okay, fine, it's so you actually don't smash the glass, but hey, it'd be cool and practical. Now, before we really get started, the first thing we're going to do is bend in our mirrors. There. That was dramatic. Now, my Jeep comes with an owner's manual to figure out how to take your doors off, but this is for chumps. We're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. YouTube. So the next step is you want to get your ratchet wrench and add your T50 torque piece to it, and we're gonna take the screws off the door. Pro tip, try not to scratch your door while you do this. It will not make your husband happy. Okay, not to be dramatic, but this is taking forever. God, how long is a screw? One down, one to go. If you have good hand-eye coordination skills, definitely comes in handy. Oh, number 2. So one cool thing about Jeep is that, you know, you don't want to put these little guys in your pocket or a Ziploc bag, because if you're like me, you're immediately going to lose them, right? So Jeep made this super simple that even I can do it. And in the trunk, there's a special little hidey hole for you to put your screws. You just open up this little container. If you're gonna take off your roof or your windshield, there's holes over here, but we're just gonna go with the ones that say door hinges. See guys, it literally says door hinges. You just plop those bad boys in there and you're done. So this is where we're going to unhook the strap very gently. And if you have power doors or windows like I do, then you're gonna need to unplug it, and you're gonna wanna unplug it with the precision of defusing a bomb. Only instead of an explosion, you just won't be able to roll your windows down. Red goes up, white goes out. Okay, once everything is unbolted and unhooked, you're ready to take the door off. But here's where things get spicy, because Jeep makes these doors heavier than your CrossFit PR. Lifting it off the hinges is gonna be 20% technique and 80% grunt work. And that's why I've got these big guns. I'm really not faking it. And 1, 2, lift with the knees. Now, make sure to put this somewhere where you won't lose it. Okay, one door down. One to go. Time to do door number 2. Maybe this one will go faster this time. Remember, put your screws in the back. Ah, yeah. It's like a Karate Kid. It goes all the way up. It goes out. Don't forget to put your tools back, because then you'll always remember where they were. Right? Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Okay, that one came off way easier than the other one. Don't forget to put the plastic back on. Now, if you really want to be cool, you can also take the tops off. This is way easier. All you do is flip the visors down, unbuckle all the little knobs, and driver's goes up first. And we'll do the passenger side. Now don't forget to put the doors and roof in a safe spot where they won't get damaged. You can buy a fancy rack system for your garage, but honestly, putting them in a corner on a blanket works just as well. Just make sure when you lean them up against the wall that you lean them up well, so at 3 a.m. you don't get a heart attack when they fall over. And just like that, you're free. Free to enjoy the wind in your hair, the bugs in your face, and the side eyes that you're probably gonna get from people in minivans. But you are cool, it is a Jeep. There's honestly nothing like driving without your doors. You feel connected to the road, to nature, and occasionally the splash zone of a puddle that you're gonna drive through. So before you head off like the majestic doorless unicorn that you are, there are a few things that you need to know. Most states do require side mirrors, so you'll need to check your state and install aftermarket ones if that's a requirement. Number 2, don't have anything valuable in your Jeep. Why? You don't have any doors, dummy. And yes, you will likely get some Jeeper waves. It's a thing. Don't fight it. Embrace the cult. So that's it. Your doors are off, your vibes are up, and your Jeep has entered its final form. And just remember, girls, how hard can it be? A boy can do it. So can we. Now that we've spent 2 hours taking the doors off, let's go for a ride through the mountains.
Did you close your door?
So hit that like button if you've ever jammed your finger while trying to plug in the wiring harness. Subscribe if your Jeep is your therapist. And drop a comment. Does your Jeep have a name? What is it? Mine? This is Rocky the Wrangler. So with that, we'll catch you on the next adventure. Stay dusty, my friends, and see you on the trail. You know the one. The main tool is a T50. I don't know what I'm doing. How long is the screw?
No, see, it's still connected right here.
Oh, It helps if you have good hand-eye coordination, which
They were heavy because there was a steel beam in each door.
wrench, ratchet winch. Just know that this is why my husband never lets me have power tools. Watch me take this off, it's gonna rain tomorrow or something.
So Carrie tells me, hey, you want to go for a ride in the Jeep today? We'll have the doors and the top on. I was like, yeah, sounds great. Where are we going? She's like, the Uintas. Okay. Wonder if it's going to rain. It's going to rain. Don't worry. We got the doors off, so we'll stay wet.